Hey guys, Dr. Eddy Dona, specialist plastic surgeon. I want to talk about breast implants and their apparent alleged expiry date. Now, basically, implants do not have to be changed every 10 years. It's a myth which has been around forever, and it should have been dispelled years ago, and it was, but people continue to bring it up. So, what I tell all my patients, that as long as the breast and the breast implants look good, feel good, nothing ever has to change. So potentially implants can last a lifetime. Having said that, obviously as we get older, our bodies change, our breasts change, and certain life events will accelerate those changes. So because of the changes that will occur to you and to your body and your breast over time, you may want something else done in the future. But once again, as long as your breast implants look good, feel good, nothing has to change. Having said that, you can of course get problems with implants. You can get capsular contracture, which is hardening of the implants in a small percentage. You can get ruptured implants in a small percentage. So certainly if things like that were to occur, then that would warrant you wanting and needing to have implants changed. But there is no official expiry date for implants, so you can put that myth to bed. That's it.